G'day guys, Mitsubishi Asx 2015-16 model, similar to the Outlander, pretty much same engine. We're talking about starter motor changing today, so I'll show you how to start. You don't have to remove the manifold. I'm repeating, you don't have to remove the manifold. You could change the starter motor without that one. So let's get started. So what I did, I removed the air filter housing, battery tray and intake pipe and all that, and there are two brackets which holds the starter motor together that I have removed. Alright, and then positive wire holders are opened, and then two 14 socket walls. I opened one from here, one from bottom, and the starter motor is just hanging down there, as you can see. So once you hang it down, it's not going to go down. There's this piece of metal which it goes on the top of the throttle here, so you have to remove these brackets to make sure that falls down. So it was like this, it was holding that starter motor positive wire. So you unplug that and then unscrew that bracket from there, and we'll hang it down. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to disconnect the starter motor, and let's go under there and show you. Okay. Okay. So that's the starter motor. Now, since it's hanging, I can disconnect both wires and make sure this side, the gear side, is facing downwards. You can slide back in. So you don't have to remove the manifold. Let me remove it and show you. So the starter motor is out. This is the aftermarket. It's a little bit bigger, but should do the job. So we need to match the face of the starter motor, which actually goes into the gearbox. Seems all good. So another tip, when you're removing this clip, there's a press button, but it will stick there. So what you can do, as you can see, it was like flat, this one, but I bent. So I have, because the press button is on the back and you can't reach it, so you have to bend it, press it, and then bring it out. So that was another trip. So let's put this one in, and let's show you how to put everything back on the top, and we go from there. All right, let's get started. So put the starter motor back. So I had to remove the throttle because it's exactly under there to get to 2 bolts. For that, you remove this 2 nuts and move the plate away. Unconnect all the wiring for the starter, which goes all the way from to the battery, to the positive. That'll give you more leverage to hang the starter motor down. Remove these 2 bolts. There's a bracket which goes under the throttle screw to hold the bracket. Pretty straightforward. So it's all in there. So I'm going to put everything back one by one. Thank you very much, guys, for watching my video, and please press the bell icon button. Stay tuned.